Hello everybody. In this video we are going to fix a little bug that we have in our application. And let me actually show you this. We have been working with the login section and the register for a user using the email password authentication method. And that will set the login in to true and getting the user info. So let me actually log in again. And put my password. We change getting the state, the user object is there, and the login in is equal to true. But if we log out, login in is false, that's how it's supposed to be, but the user object is still there. So let's actually do a really quick cleanup to get rid of this. So what we need to do, we're going to go to a store and we are going to see the logout. We are setting the commit this from logging out, and logging out, the only thing that it's doing is setting the is logging in equals to false. Well, we need to do the same for the user. So we're going to do state.user equal null. So it's an empty object. If we will go back to the application, we refresh, we log in again, or stage, we are logging in and we have the user object. If we log out, our user is null. So we take care of this. Let's do something extra just to verify that we are getting the correct information, the one that we're supposed to. And for that, it's going to be changing. Let me show you this. Let me actually log in. We're going to be changing the main feed, and let's put a hello message here, getting the username, just to see that we can actually read it. To doing that, we're going to go to the feed page. Let's actually remove this styling, we are not required right now. Let's have a name, feed, and let's actually have a computed element. And we're going to get the user object. And the user object, the only things that are going to return is going to be this $store, $getters, dot, and we call the getter for the get user, get user. So we're going to a store and get in. We need a comma here. Perfect. We're going to the store, getting the user, and we're returning is a computed element here. So the only thing that we need to do is welcome, something like this. This is the main page, and here we're going to put the user.name. So we log in again. We are not getting it. Let's see why. Oh, because not called name, it's called display name. So we need to print the user taken from the store, the display name property. And here you go. So this is a really cool way or quick way to see if the application is doing what it's supposed to. Just to have it more clear, let's actually do this. Let's do a block element. and put this inside with class display 2 probably. The div, let's put a class of padding top 4, so we remove it a little bit. Perfect. And then we can actually do a h3 element. We can actually put user.email. There you go. And let's do this headline. Oh, headline, not deadline. Sorry for that. There you go. Let's do a padding left for 2. And we have it like that. So we're able to read the name and read the email for the user that is logged in. Let me log out. Let's actually create another user. And let's do the traditional John Smith. Actually, John Doe. John@doe.com. Let's put a password in there. And welcome John Doe and with the email. So now we are able to authenticate with 2 different users. The one that we created for ourselves, as we can see right now, and the one that just invented too. Did I forget the password? Probably. Okay, let's actually review that. Let me refresh my users. Oh, I mistype John there, so this is actually the username. And here you go, John Doe. And perfect. This is everything for this video. Happy coding, everybody.